Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday, and I hope you're all ready for a great weekend. Well, today, as you can see, I have an unbagging, and this bag came from AliExpress. So let's take a look at what this looks like. So I got this a couple of days before the 11/11 sale at AliExpress, and it is 180 by 70 cotton thread, and it was only $25.81. So let me get this out of its plastic bag. All right, is that not gorgeous? It is let me see if it tells me. Well, it says it's bigger here, but I was looking for how big it actually is, and I don't think this number is right. So, and it says here in 11 count, which is what I got, it's 194 by 73 centimeters. Maybe the other size is something else, but yeah, I couldn't pass that up for $25. That is an absolute good deal. It comes in a 32-page booklet. Oh, there's the colors. We have a total of 78 colors. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and I don't know if this is a partial or not. It has 310 black, 498, which is a brick red, 606, which is another red, and 817 is a brick red. So there's a lot of red in this. No, 823, no, 939. I don't know, these don't even go numerically. So it does have 666 red. It has that 995. It's close to 996, so it's kind of a turquoise color. And I'm not seeing. We have 3864. Not seeing a light color. Oh, it does say Blanc, so I don't know if that's B5200 or not. But lots and lots of colors. So this is kind of, I don't know that this is a Mona Lisa. It, you know, and this is just a different way of them, because usually classic cross stitch is Mona Lisa. But well printed page pattern. There is no back stitching that I know of in this, right? Nope, it's just straight cross stitch. Thank goodness. You could add as much as you'd like. But yeah, there are just a lot. A lot. Just beautiful, though. I liked all the things that was going on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ladies in this one. And I have no idea what its actual name is. There is some Chinese writing in the pattern, so not real sure, but it's not clear enough for me to see what it is, to Google it or anything like that. So let's take a look at what is in here. And all the threads are on the loop over thread card. I really don't mind these, and if there's a lot of threads, I just put this in a separate bag and mark it, you know, that it goes with this kit. And then I just draw these out from the top, and that way I don't have to take them out every time. So there are 4 thread cards here. But very pretty colors. Kind of some oranges, pinks, browns, yellows. There's your brick reds. There's that number, that 99, what did I say it was? $9.95 or $9.97. I can't remember, but yeah, beautiful turquoise, beautiful red colors. We have some browns. We have some beige, if you would call it. There's some white and more white. I don't know. This is kind of strangely numbered. There's your 310 black. This is $4.98, and that 606 and that other 6. So beautiful, beautiful colors. Seems to be quite the wad here. Oh my goodness, where am I going to put that? Just going to set it aside. Did come with a toolkit. You have a bobbin, see, a bobbin, a threader, 3 needles, and a thimble. So they didn't go very far on that. But I want to get this opened some way. Give me a second. All right. Yeah, I could only undo this so far. I was trying to see. This says 750 stitches across by 262. So I guess that part was right. Very, very stiff fabric, but very well printed, very easy to see symbols. And this is going to be really confettied in here. But let me show you part I'm looking at. Holy cow. Yeah. There's one of the ladies. But it has lots of confetti, but it also, on the other hand, has great big areas. So, very nicely printed. Let me see if I can fold this way and then just keep unfolding. Oh my goodness. So, very nicely done. So, very, very beautiful. I may undo this and take like a small little video to put at the end. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this. It'll have a lot of details in it because of all that, sorry, stupid light, all that confetti. It'll take a hot moment. It will take a hot moment. And I don't know which side I'm going to start with. I'm certain it is a full coverage. So, and I have no idea what... This is supposed to be the Chinese writing here. So, we'll see how much of that shows up. But very nicely printed. I just love it. And I cannot measure it. I will, you know, I'll put that all on the screen when I show you the full canvas. So, give me a moment. All right, I am back. So that gives you some idea of what it looks like. But I just thought it was very pretty. And it is 70, the whole thing is 72 inches by 27 inches, or 183 centimeters by 168 centimeters. The actual picture is 69.5 inches by 60 inches, or 178 centimeters I think by that doesn't make, oh, 23 3/4 inches. I couldn't even read my own writing. Holy cow. Yeah, it looks like chicken scratch today. But I was trying to hold it. Hopefully the cat wasn't going to jump off the bed in the wrong direction. Yeah, it was lovely. So yeah, isn't that pretty? So we are going to be starting this today at 1. And I have no idea which section we're going to start with first. So join me at 1 for that. And that's Mountain Standard Time, USA. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.